Well, it's another good morning. It's going to be hot today, though. So anyway, there's those. And to take the water cannon and the tank off, there's 4 bolts on this flange. You just take those 4 off there. This thing is heavy. The front part unscrews. So I'll unscrew that. To take the tank off, there are 4 bolts here. You got one here, one there, and on each side. And you can just get to them from underneath. Not a big deal. So the tank will come off to make it shorter. Cause I'm 6'6", and this is taller than me. So you can get an idea how tall it really is. Then all this stuff goes with it as well. There's a box of fire hose. You got 2 fire red lanterns. They're Dietz's also. A period battery lantern. Bunch of nozzles here. Brass fire extinguisher. Those are usually mounted right here on this corner. So, but I'll get all this packed up the best I can, and hopefully I have something to cover it up in here and try and strap it all down for you. And the buckets are bolted to the fender, so those won't come off. Those are pretty secure. This is bolted. I do not have the key for this, but there is something inside there. You can hear it rattling around. I don't know what it is. So, and that's about it. Okay.